Okay, my name is Walter and my surname is Bolaños. I don't have a nickname. I am an art student. I am a coffee grower. I work at coffee farm on day and I study at night. I I like my job because I relax when I work. I am single and I don't have a girlfriend. I don't have children. I have two brothers and three sisters. I am 18 years old. My birthday is on the 20th of September. I was born in Pitalito, Huila. I am from Colombia, Pitalito. My address is Bruselas. My phone number is 3167935389, and I live with my father and my brother. I live in a house, and my email address is bolanos120@gmail.com. In my free time, I do some things, as for example, I play soccer and I like to hack the accounts of my friends. Also, in my free time, I like to read books, and my hobbies are to sing when I listen music. My favorite singer is Cancerbero. He is a singer, rap music. I listen the horror movies. I like to read so much. One of my bad habits is don't bat me by the cold. I don't snore and I don't smoking. My favorite food is the rice kitchen. I don't like the sancocho. My favorite colors are the black and the blue. Um, I want to learn English because it's a second opportunity at life, and because I like it so much. I speak Spanish and I and a bit English, and I speak a bit English. I have two pets, are two dogs. Their names are Dalton and Violeta. The sport likes is the soccer. My favorite team is national. I am good at the music, and I am bad at philosophy. I am not romantic. I don't have tattoos. I am friendly and funny. I am happy when I sing, and I am a good singer. Uh,